Samantala, wala pa ring balita ang Embahada ng Pilipinas sa Myanmar sa kalagayan ng 4 na Pilipino na kasama sa daan-daang individual na nawala nang tumama ang malakas na lindol sa lugar noong nakaraang linggo. Ayon kay Charge d'Affaires in Yangon, Angelito Nayan, nasa 300 Pilipino ang natiyak nilang ligtas matapos ang nangyari. Umihiling naman ng pangunawa ang embahada sa mga pamilya ng nawawalang Pilipino. Kasabay nito, tiniyak niyang ginagawa nila ang lahat para mahanap ang ating mga kababayan.
I don't have the specific information, but even the Myanmar authorities, they're doing round-the-clock search and rescue operations. I know it's very difficult and our hearts go to these families. We know we've been there before. So we request really this patience and understanding. We're doing everything we can on the ground, but the situation is complex and the operations are really, really difficult right now.